While the Wisconsin Dells is known, at least in their promotional materials, as the water park capital of the world, we took a quick boat tour to check out some of the natural scenery the day before our trip to one of the many water parks. The tour started out near the Kilbourne Dam. Now, the tour guide was quick to point out that the natural tannins in the water were the reason for the river's brown color, so we'll have to take his word for it. The ducks surrounding the docks certainly looked healthy enough. After driving for most of the day, we took a tour of the lower dells to pass time before dinner. The August weather wasn't too hot, and the views of the sandstone formations were wonderful. Let's check out some of the highlights. Here we have the Hawk's Beak formation. I think this one's supposed to look like a piano. Do you see the milk bottle?